everyone. So this is just a little prep work to get us ready for our lesson on next class day. So this is part of your homework, just so we can hit the ground running when we see each other next. So I need everyone to turn in your notes back to page 26. Okay, we're starting on 26, and we're going to make some diagrams on 26, on 27, and on 28. But make sure you're starting on page 26. All right. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to make a straight vertical line down right here from just to the right of the ampersand, and we're just going to make a line straight down to where it says page, okay? And then we're going to make a horizontal line about an inch, inch and a half higher than the writing, that the lines that are on here, okay? And then up here, we're going to write number 1, and the first factor is going to be particle size. And then over here, number 2, this factor is going to be the packing / arrangement of the particles. And when we say particles, what do we mean? We mean SEDs, okay? So particle size means SED size. Okay, so anytime we're saying particle, we mean SEDs. All right, so that's the prep work that we need for page 26. Now, if we go over to page 27, we're going to do the same thing with the vertical line. We're going to go right down from the ampersand, and we're going to make a vertical line down to where it says page number, right? And then, instead of a straight line going across the whole thing, we're going to make, watch what I do now, we're going to make a straight line going across the left side of the page. And on the right side of the page, it's going to be half straight, and then we're going to make a slope going up. Okay, so this is factor 3. Okay, this is factor 3, and this is the saturation level of the ground. That's the next factor. And then obviously number 4, judging from this diagram, this is going to be factor 4, slope of the ground. And this is all going to make sense when we get to class, okay? So 3 and 4, saturation level of the ground. 4 is slope of the ground. Now we're going to turn to page 28, all right? And same thing that we did for the other 2. We're going to make a vertical line going straight down, divide the page in half vertically, all right? And then we're going to make our horizontal line going across both, all right? Factor 5 that we're going to examine is the amount of vegetation. Okay, and factor 6 that we're going to examine, okay, is the ground thawed or frozen? Okay. So what these 6 factors are the factors that affect the initial infiltration of the water into the ground. So in class, we're going to make models and diagrams, and we're going to think about these relationships, and then down here, we're going to write the relationship statements and the explanations. All right, so that's our goal for our next time we meet. So we have pages 26, 27, and 28 prepped for the work that we're going to do when we're studying the infiltration rates of water into the ground. All right, see you next class. Bye.